And my question is that we are shattered everywhere, wherever we go, we are the bad people. So I'd like to know, please tell us something where we managed to do something to bring all Muslims more closer, to do something for the deen of Allah, and to show people the true picture of Islam.
And the whole speech was about it, and there is no one-liner solution to all these problems which have been created in hundreds and hundreds of years. So it's an effort. So this speech, the discussion points we were discussing today in the talk, and in such al-Hidayah camps we are organizing in different cities. So we have to bring our youngsters more and more towards such activities, so that at least they can become enlightened. And when the next generation comes, the Muslim generation, they are more enlightened, they are more smart in their mind, more peaceful. So inshallah, we'll have a better society. Inshallah. So whatever we have done to ourselves, at least we don't do that to our next generation. So if it's a downfall, it's a misery. So the misery is linked to the time. It's not linked to human beings. Time changes. If we are able to educate our next generation in a better manner, if we can teach them that there is no place for sectarianism, if we can teach them there is no place for religious hatred, if we could teach them there is no place in life for violence, and if we are able to upbring such generation in our countries, I am sure it's just a matter of time the world will